Hello my fellow linguists, I hope you all are doing well. My name is Shreya and you're watching Language Fluent. We at Language Fluent teach different foreign languages for various purposes, for example job, immigration, etc. We also provide a job-oriented course for the duration of 2 years. For more information regarding such courses, give a call on the numbers mentioned below or download the application link provided in the description box. Heute lernen wir possessive pronomen in accusative. So today we are going to learn the possessive pronouns in accusative. Now previously you all must have learned the possessive pronoun in nominative or like possessive pronouns. So to begin with, just let's revise once what are possessive pronouns. So possessive pronouns are the pronouns which show possession as the name suggests. So in English, if we take the example, my car, his car, her car, your car. So this shows possession, that it's my car, my possession, my car, your possession. So that are possessive pronouns. Now, as we know that we have different cases in German. Therefore, in German, we have possessive pronouns according to the different cases. So, first, let's just revise the basic possessive pronouns and then let's look at possessive pronomen in accusative. So, the basic possessive pronouns. So, mein, dein, RNS, sein. For sie, we have ihr, unser, euer, your. So mine, that's my, thine, your, sein, its or his, ihr, hers, unser, our, euer, plural for you. So your, if there are more than one person, ihr, sie with capital respect for, and they, so their, their, your. So now these were the basic possessive pronouns. Now let's look at the accusative possessive pronouns. Okay, so first let's look at the table. For in the beginning, let's look at the nominative table. So masculine, feminine, neutrum, plural. If we take the possessive pronoun mine, so it will be mine, minor, mine, minor. Masculine, feminine, neutrum, plural. If we take thine, thine, diner, thine, diner. Okay? Sein, sein, seiner, sein, seiner. Ihr, ihre, ihre. Unser, unsere, unsere. So this was our nominative possessive pronoun table. Now I have written this just for reference in case you all have forgotten. Also please check out the previous video for this. Now let's look at the possessive table. So now here possessive table, as there into accusative changes to then, en, then or einen. Similarly, mine will change to meinen, deinen, seinen, ihren, unseren, euren, ihren. Okay, so first mine, so masculine will change to meinen. So like there changes to then, therefore mine will change to meinen. Feminine will be same, minor. Neutrum will be mine, plural will be minor. So the accusative articles are then, die, das, die. Therefore, meinen, then, die, meine, das, mein, die, meine. Similarly, now dein, we have deinen, deine, dein, deine. Next is sein. Seinen, seine, sein, seine. Ihr, that we use for sie, hers. Ihren, ihre, ihr, ihre. Unser, unseren, unsere, unser, unsere. Next we have euer. So here the spelling changes a little bit. Now euer, euren, eure, euer, eure, euren, eure, euer, eure. Last year here same. So I'll take the capital letter capital SC and I'll conjugate that. So ear, earen, ear, ear, ear. So this is the possessive pronomen in accusative table. Meinen, meine, mein, meine. Deinen, deine, dein, deine. Seinen, seine, sein, seine. Ihren, ihre, ihr, ihre. Unseren, unsere, unser, unsere. Euren, eure, euer, eure. Ihren, ihre, ihr, ihre. Now let's look at few sentences so that we have a clearer idea of how to use the possessive pronomen and accusative in a sentence. Okay, now let's look at the example. So, mein Mann ist toll. Ist the verb. Who is doing the action? Mein Mann. So that's the nominative case. Hence, mein remains the same mein as we have seen in the table. And toll is the adjective. Now, accusative. Ich liebe meinen Mann. So, liebe, verb. Who loves? I love. So, I, nominative case. I love who? Meinen Mann. That goes in the accusative case. Man is masculine. Therefore, mein changes to meinen. Therefore, meinen Mann. So, this is how we use possessive pronomen in accusative in a sentence. Now, next. Dein Auto ist sehr schön. Okay, so dein Auto, so is the nominative case, is the verb. Ich mag dein Auto. Now auto, the article is das Auto. So mag is the verb. Who likes? I like. That's nominative case. I like what? Dein Auto. That's the accusative case. So dein remains the same to dein. Therefore dein Auto in accusative case. Third, die Tasche von Peter ist rot. So die Tasche, nominative case. Ich finde seine Tasche nicht. So I can't find his bag. Ich, nominative case. Finde verb. I don't find what? His bag. So I get the answer of what it is the accusative case. So seine. And because his bag, Peter, masculine. So sein and feminine, that is Tasche, die Tasche, seine. So ich finde seine Tasche nicht. So these are the few sentences. You all can note down these sentences for practice. Also try making such sentences on your own, where first you write a simple sentence like a nominative which will have only nominative case, and then later with the same subject object try to write a sentence in which you will use the accusative possessive pronoun. So it's very simple. We just need to do a lot of practice because it's a new thing and it has a a big table, so you have to just revise the table. So keep practicing the table. Mine, meinen, meine, meine, deinen, deine, deiner, seinen, seiner, seiner. And also it's like once you know the articles very well, there, thee, das, thee, then thee, das, thee, them, then plus n, then possessive pronouns are very simple. So you have to remember 3-4 important points. First, the meanings. So what is mine? What is thine? What is thine? Okay, so those meanings. Second, the articles for accusative, then thee, das, thee. Once you know that, you can clearly write the table, because then will change to meinen, en, deinen, seinen. Die same, meine, deine. Das same, mein, dein, sein. Deine, meine, sorry, die, so like meine, deine, seine. So 3 important points to know the meanings of the different possessive pronouns. What is sein, what is mine, what is unser, what is euer. Second, to remember the articles table and then possessive pronoun table. 3, to practice. The only thing that will make you fluent in any language is practice. So keep reading sentences, keep making your own sentences. So das ist es. If you like the video, please click on the bell icon on your YouTube app to never miss out on any update by Language Fluent. We at Language Fluent also provide interpretation and translation services. For more information regarding that, call on the numbers given below or download the application link in the description box. See you next time. Cheers!